Hello, my name is Rutuja and I am 6 years old and I study in grade 1B. Today we are going to see about culinary arts. Culinary arts means something that related to cooking. Culinary arts are the arts of food preparation, cooking, and presentation of food at the cuisine. Food preparation methods intention vary in each country, state, and city also. I will tell you some interesting information about Maharashtrian food. Maharashtrian meal consists of many food items such as the things that are served on the left hand side of the plate must be eaten in less quantity. The center and right hand side of the plate consists of our main course. Our daily meal should comprise of all six rasas. It means it should contain sweet, sour, salty, astringent, hot, and bitter flavors. These are some recipes that I made. Here, this is a healthy bell that I made. This is a raita that I made, and some crunchy crackers. This is a clown that I made with a healthy brown bread. And thank you.